Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Got an interesting offer in here. This is an ad for Four Roses blended whiskey. It's got an interesting medium. What it is a thick plastic. If you take a look, you can kind of see the rippling a little bit there, and it's laid over canvas. It's really a cool look to it. We have gone ahead and put it into a new frame. But if you're into vintage advertising or anything with Brewania, this might be for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.